Hi lads, how you doing? This is the end of summer here in Portugal. I just had a 1 week of vacation and going back to work tomorrow. And I decided to do some works here in my foundry. This is actually my garage and I want to show you my setup. Here's my old oven that I made. This is where everything all started. Already going to break apart, but anyways, there's some random shit here on the table. This is my new controller based on the oven TRM 251 made in Ukraine. My controller, and this is my second oven. Not perfect, but way better than my old one. This is a beer keg for the future projects, some random shit. This is my vacuum chamber, some old flasks, all handmade. This is another flask, bigger one, made of a fire extinguisher. This is my first and only furnace that I have, the gas burner. That's the top half. This is my new crucible that I want to check. Never had graphite crucibles, and this is actually the subject of this video that I'm making now. This is a try of making a Crucible Thongs, but didn't work for my setup. This is my old crucibles, all made of the fire extinguishers, because they're cheap, obviously, because they're very cheap and easy to get. Some wires here. This is my first controller based on Arduino, still working, but I don't know if never tried it since 2 years back, since I got that new controller. And this is the subject of my video today. So, never seen this before, never seen this type of the design of a Crucible Thongs. It looks like a scissors, less or more. Has a pivot here, made in M10 bolt, and let me get my. So this is my graphite crucible. And it's going, supposedly it's going to work like that. If I open up like this, go over like that, less or more, and I close it like a scissors and lift it. Now the hand goes going here, because it's busy now with the phone, and I'm going to lift it like that. Now it came close, but I lift it and then pour it. Never seen before design like that before, so give me your thoughts if it's going to work or no. The handles made of a square tube. Another handle here to turn it, and I don't know if it's going to work yet, but well, that's my try. See you again. Thanks for watching.